Airbnb end-to-end machine learning system. In 2016, Airbnb had a few major machine learning models in production. Each of these models took on average 8 weeks to 12 weeks to build. There was no consistency among models. They were built using Aerosolve, Spark, and Scala. Some of the best machine learning packages like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn were required but not present. At the data level for systems which utilized these models, there were significant discrepancies between offline and online data. Bighead was built to solve these problems. Why? Some of the issues highlighted here were concerning areas which needed to be solved even before more machine learning models and systems were built. In addition, a platform was required to enable more users to build machine learning products by reducing time, effort, and friction. This would also enable easier model evaluation. How? Zipline. It is machine learning data management framework. This is the framework that helps defining features, especially window width height was complicated and error-prone. It also helps backfill training sets on inefficient Hive queries and enables feature sharing. Using this framework, inconsistencies in offline and online datasets can also be resolved. Deploying it also resulted in machine learning data pipelines have better data quality check and monitoring. Redspot. It is a hosted Jupyter notebook service. Redspot is a hosted containerized multi-tenant Jupyter notebook service. Every user environment is containerized via Docker. This allows customizing the notebook environment without affecting other users. In addition, it makes it easier to restore the state, therefore helps with reproducibility. Bighead Library. The Bighead Library is used for data transformations and pipeline abstraction, and it holds wrappers for common model frameworks. It preserves metadata through transformations, so it is used to track lineage. It also helps to propagate features metadata so users can plot feature importance at the end and connect it to feature names. It also provides training data visualization to help identify data issues in Bighead Library. DeepTOF. DeepTOF is a shared REST API service for online inference. It supports all frameworks integrated in machine learning pipeline. Deployment is completely config-driven, so data scientists don't have to involve engineers to launch new models. Engineers can then connect to a REST API from our services to get scores. In addition, there is support for loading data from the Kiwi stores. It also provides standardized logging, alerting, and dashboarding for monitoring and offline analysis of model performance. Conclusion. Airbnb established their own machine learning infrastructure team, as building each model could take up to 3 months. Second, there was no consistency among models. And third, there were large differences between online and offline predictions. Building end-to-end machine learning platform like Bighead is the culmination of their efforts. That's all for this video. If you want more, drop a comment.